stuffs I want to make a video on. Number one, philosophy. Philosophy goes way back in ancient Greece around the 6th century BCE. It came from the ancient Greek word philos, which means love, and sophia, which means wisdom. And when you think about it, it literally means love for wisdom. Some of the most well-known early philosophers were that of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, who focused more on human life, ethics, and reasoning. But ancient philosophy, especially during the pre-Socratic era, largely explored the natural world through thinkers like Heraclitus, Parmenides, and Thales. The medieval era philosophy then tackled theology and religion until the Renaissance brought back the classical Greek philosophy that brought back the interest in humanism. And as philosophy and society went further down the route, new concepts eventually emerged in the 19th and 20th century. Concepts like pragmatism, phenomenology, linguistic analysis, my favorite, existentialism, and so many more. These are the concepts in which the contemporary era further deep dived on with questioning to a concept like post-structuralism and many more. But after spewing out so many alien-like words, what even is philosophy? By its Google meaning, it would be the study of nature, causes, or principles of reality, knowledge, or values based on logical reasoning. But there's so much more to philosophy than that. And if you ask my philosophy teacher, you would just get questioned further and further. Because in the end, philosophy is a study through questioning, but not with answers as the end goals. Philosophical answers will just lead to more philosophical questions. So if I can ask you now, what is philosophy?